Hey YouTube, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. Just wanted to give a little video here. This is a interesting one. I know that others have done similar ones, so I wanted to try see how it does myself. I purchased this online. It was $15 if I remember correctly, half price deal. Normally $30. It's a once a month mystery item they send you. Came from China directly. So I'm guessing that it's Chinese electronics. It's supposed to be electronics. Aside from that, I don't know what it is other than what's on the box or package, what's on the package, and I know that you can never really trust that because when they ship from China, they'll mark it as a variety of things in order to save on shipping. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open the package and we'll see what you get for $30 a month. So far it's just plain black box. Gadget Discovery Club, so it's labeled with their stuff. The box has been beat up pretty bad and you can hear the item shifting around inside, so it's not a good sign. Let's see what we got for our $15 this time. Huh. Empty box. So for our $15 initial price, half price on a $30 package, they sent us this little box that says it's a mini boom wireless speaker. Level up your beats. One mini boom wireless speaker, one USB charger cable, one user manual, and one fastening cord. It says 3 watt with 400 milliamp battery. Up to 4 hours, takes 2 hours to charge, 4 hours playback. There we go. Let's see if we can get it to come out of the box that it's gotten dinged up in. Well, at least the inside of this is a bit nicer of packaging. So it's this itty bitty speaker and the charging cable. And the fastening cable, packing material, and the table of contents and whatnot for the instruction manual. So honestly, I'm kind of disappointed. They said it was supposed to be something really cool and worth, you know, $40+, and that it was supposed to be a really good package item. And I'll tell you, I'm kind of disappointed because you can buy similar type items at 5 and below for $5. So I'm going to have to say this Gadget Discovery Club kind of disappointed me on this one. I don't know, what do you guys think? What do you all think? Should I try it again, do another month for $30, see what they give me that time? Let me know in the comments down below if you think I should try again. As always, like the video if you like our content, subscribe to the channel if you want to keep up to date on our videos, send me a comment whether it's about this or a different item or just want to get some information about myself or the channel. But please give me a comment letting me know what you think of this, if you think it's worth the $15 to $30 value, or if I should just go ahead and cancel my subscription. Well, thanks for watching. Have a great day, everyone.